Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can use the auto golden pocket, a new feature in EzAlgo V8. Guys, the golden pocket is so powerful. You can use this across any asset, but I find that especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum, price just respects these golden pockets to a T. And this has been one of my major confluences since I've started trading. I'm so glad that we were able to implement this into EzAlgo V8 with a multi-time frame feature. But for those of you that don't know what the golden pocket is, the golden pocket consists of the 0.618 and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, the reason we've chosen the golden pocket, the 0.618 and 0.65, as opposed to other Fibonacci retracement levels is because this is something that I use personally. So I'm not going to include anything in any of the indicators inside of EzAlgo unless I know and have verified that they actually work, right? There's so many different indicators out there with so many different inputs, but what's the point of having a bunch of stuff inside of an indicator if they don't really work? So we've tried to make something technical, right? We're trying to build a technical indicator here. And by doing so, we've included the golden pocket as well as the multi-time frame support and resistance onto the V8, as well as the volume profile with the point of control, the volume area highs and lows, etc. So when you use all of these in confluence together, you can see some amazing results. Now, I've made so many different videos talking about the golden pocket and how to use in certain market conditions, but really you want to use these levels on a higher time frame. So for example, I really like to use the 8-hour golden pocket on any chart that I'm on, as well as the chart time frame. So you can see we have a 2-hour golden pocket and we have this 8-hour bullish golden pocket. Now, yes, price reacts very well to this level, but you have to use it in confluence with other EzAlgo inputs. Now, can you enter solely off of a golden pocket and it be a profitable trade? Sure, but that's not a high probability trade. So I like to see some sort of other confluence, and mainly that being multi-time frame support and resistance levels, point of control, reversal buy and sell signals on EzAlgo, and the EzOscillator. So if I pull up the EzOscillator, you can see that when you use the oscillator in confluence with the golden pocket and in confluence with these major support and resistance levels, where you can see we had a bullish divergence right at that golden pocket, price reacts. Even if it's a small move, you're almost always guaranteed to see some sort of reaction at these levels, especially when you're using higher time frame golden pockets. And just to show you how well these levels are respected, we're going to go back and draw some golden pockets out just to prove my point that these Fibonacci levels are very, very well respected. Right, so take the golden pocket from the swing high to the swing low. I think I have the 886 toggled on. Right, you can see that price rejects from the golden pocket. Draw it again from the swing low to the swing high. Right, price rejects from the golden pocket. Draw it from the swing high to the swing low for a short. Price rejects twice from the golden pocket. Swing low to swing high, right? Price rejects from the golden pocket, right? Swing high to swing low, right? We saw some sort of rejection, even though that wasn't a big move, right? We still saw some sort of rejection before finally breaking out. So how many trades is that in a row, right? 3, 4, I think if you go even further back, that's like 5 trades in a row, using the golden pocket. And then look at this, right? We can draw all the way from this swing high to this swing low. And what do you know? We hit that golden pocket, perfectly rejected from this golden pocket, and we had a swing fail of this level over here. Of this level right here. So we had 2 confluences in one, and price dropped. So the golden pocket is an extremely valuable tool to use in your trading. Now, you all saw that I used it on Tradingview. So this is a technical tool on Tradingview, right? But a lot of beginner traders don't know exactly where to draw these from. We've automated the process in EzAlgo V8 with a multi-time frame feature as well, like I mentioned. So now I'm going to go over the confluences that I like to use when using the golden pocket. So confluences with golden pocket. And once you guys, get the hang of this, like, you will just be absolutely printing money. All right, the first one, multi-time frame support and resistance. So I like to see either a 4-hour or a 12-hour support or resistance level. If I see a higher time frame support or resistance level, or maybe 2, right? I could have a 4-hour and a 12-hour overlapping and a golden pocket. There's so much confluence that there's going to be some sort of reaction from that level. All right, second confluence, right? Point of control. If you see you have a point of control at or near a golden pocket with a support level, that's even more confluence to take the trade. The next confluence is the oscillator. Is the oscillator at or near these overbought or oversold zones? As you can see, when we rejected from the golden pocket all the way from this swing high, if you look at the oscillator, we were in this overbought zone with a mild sell signal, or should I say reversal sell signal. So that's our next confluence, are the reversal buy or sell signals. and that could also be your entry. And then the last one, which is confirmation, are the EzAlgo buy or sell signals. So EzAlgo buy or sell signals, this should be used as confirmation. In the perfect entry, you should enter before the EzAlgo buy or sell signals, but these can confirm your trade once you've already gotten in. So if you had taken a short, somewhere around here, and then you get that sell signal, you know that you made the right decision. All right, now how to trade with the golden pocket. There are many different ways to trade with this depending on the market structure. So the first way is trading with the trend, right? If you see higher highs and higher lows, you can look to enter a long position, right? You can look to enter a long position on the retrace to the golden pocket, right? And that would be your long entry right there at the golden pocket, right? We're trading with the trend, we're making higher highs and higher lows, and that is where you'd enter your limit order, stop loss below the swing low, and you can dollar cost average on the way down as well, depending on the time frame. And then you can target, a 2-to-1, a 3-to-1. Sometimes if I'm on a higher time frame, like a 4-hour, I probably won't put my stop loss below the swing low. I'll probably put it somewhere around here, maybe at the 786 or a little bit below that. And that will make the risk to reward a little bit higher. In an uptrending market structure, most of the time, the long position is also a retest of the previous resistance. So that is where the confluences come into play, right? You break out and you're retesting at that golden pocket. And then if the oscillator is in the oversold zone, maybe you see a bullish divergence, that is more confluence to enter the trade. All right, and the opposite is true for a downtrend, obviously. All right, the next way to trade with the golden pocket is a change of character. So when market structure is shifting, right? When market structure is shifting and you create that lower low, look to take a trade at the golden pocket, right? Look to take a trade at the golden pocket to the downside in this case, because we had broken market structure to the downside, and we're going to come up, grab the rest of that liquidity and come back down. Again, you want to see some more confluence. Maybe it's retesting that previous resistance. Maybe there's a fair value gap. Maybe there's a candlestick over here to swing fail. So there's many different confluences you could use as well. Those are the main ways I like to trade with the golden pocket in a ranging market, right? In a ranging market, I won't use the golden pocket unless on a lower time frame. Instead, I'll look to be taking swing failure patterns at the range high and the range low. So I'll look to be taking longs down here, right? And I'll color this blue because this is our long zone. I'll look to be taking longs down here, maybe try to catch a swing fail of a candlestick wick near the range lows. And then I'll be looking to do the opposite at the range highs, look for a short position. So in this case, the golden pocket is not necessarily ineffective, but you need to wait for more confirmation. Maybe go down to a lower time frame for entry, look for some sort of double top or bearish divergence for a short position on the oscillator. But just keep in mind, when price is ranging, there are better ways to trade than using the golden pocket. But definitely in an uptrending market or when market structure is shifting, use the golden pocket. All right, these levels are highly respected, and this is something I do in my daily trading. Most of the setups that I post in the pro Discord are using the golden pocket because it just adds so much more confluence. All right, but that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed or learned something, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.